Hey everyone, it's Joey from the Wildwood Video Archive and the Wildwood Boardwalk Facebook page. And today I'm outside the Diamond Crest Motel because guess what? They're getting a brand new pool. That's right, they ripped up the old pool. Here's what the old pool looked like. And they're adding in a brand new one. I'm gonna go ahead and just film around there for you just so you can see what it looks like so far. I don't know if it's gonna be ready for Memorial Day weekend. I mean, they're working very hard at it. Who knows? But before we do, make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and if you like our video, please go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Let's go ahead and tour around for you guys. So they're actually building two pools, one here and a kiddie pool on the other side. Now, as far as I remember, this is the first pool that's been built here in Wildwood. I think it was like 2006 when the last time a pool was actually dug out completely and rebuilt. The original one was when the hotel was built in the 50s. I think it was an add-on. But how cool is this, right? Let me go ahead and show you guys around some more. So that's the kiddie pool right here, and once again, this is the big one. Of course, they'll do a lot more concrete work here so they can go ahead and put their grills and their chairs. Now, I was told that it will be ready for Memorial Day weekend. How fantastic, right? Look at this, and the tile's gonna be so blue. I can't wait. Plus, when they add in the LED lights, we're gonna come back later. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna come back here and go ahead and see what it looks like at night and when they fix the neon sign. Very, very excited. What do you guys think? Do you think it's fantastic? They're adding in a brand new pool here at the Diamond Crest. If so, comment below. And if you haven't done so yet, please go ahead, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, and give us a thumbs up if you like our video. And as always, I'll see you guys on the beach. See ya.